Ended up going on. I think we terrified Olivia on the log flume. Isaac screamed, flume made it on the map. I think I've sunburnt my head. Maybe a little bit there. Coaster feedback. What do you think?
Fast, smooth and swift.
Hello, Chrissy again. Not another Planet Coaster episode. Today we are actually at a theme park. Hang on, I need to talk. Hello, it's Matty coming at you with not another Planet Coaster episode. Today we are actually at a theme park. So today we are at Crealy World of Adventure. We've got my little lad there. Mini Matty.
Hello.
We have Chrissy.
Hello.
And we have the other two. They're hiding behind Mum.
I don't
Too
know
shy.
the video.
Right, we need to find some water features. We just walked past. Look! Water feature! Water feature! Hang on. We need to find more water features. There's a choo-choo over there.
I like the pathing. The pathing is really
The pathing is really good. And the paint tool is seemingly really good as well.
There's Ted's picnic benches.
Yeah. Ted, lots of numbers. Picnic benches. Got a nice little area here. Very reminiscent of Michael from M&J Games.
Is that signed by Mavs fan?
That's Mavs Fan 4 sign, yeah. And then we've got an interior done by NH99.
Water feature.
Water feature.
Have you seen the coaster that needs smoothing yet?
We haven't decided if the coaster does need smoothing or not yet. We're gonna have a look. We've already lost our children. It's fine. We brought children with us. There we go. There's our first coaster. So let's go for a ride. Enjoy, everybody. Right. So we're waiting for my kids to come down. We think they're coming down this middle one here. We think. We're not sure, or maybe. If you hear lots of screaming, that's probably going to be my son, not my daughter. Right. Look at this water feature. My kids are all going on the log flume. There they are. Hello, everybody. They're ignoring me. But really nice station build. Yep. Simple, effective, does exactly what it needs to. Nice use of foliage just around there as well. And then look, over here we've got some geese animatronics. Didn't even know we had them in the game. We've got one of the tents. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, awesome. Right, so let's wait for the kids to go on this. So, like most normal rides, the log flume got a really busy queue line. But then if we have a look at the flat ride, there's no queue for the flat ride. It's like the teacups. We just have guests just milling around. Good path layout. Quite nice and simple to get around. How are you doing, Chrissy?
Alright, I'm liking the new DLC.
Which one's that? I was just saying that, the new animatronics. Yeah, they're added into the game. Yeah, so I said about that. We tried to get rid of our children, but apparently we have to wait. So we tried to get rid of them, and somebody from the park team came around and told us that we had to apparently keep them with us. So, oh well, it was. Loki, how much are you enjoying Crealy? You enjoying it? Yeah?
I know.
So, as we're just waiting for the kids to come down, we've got a little bit more immersion. Hello, Chrissy again. We had a bit more immersion. We've got some vehicles. Hey, are you stuck?
I'm stuck.
Are you stuck? Do you need me to pick you up and move you?
Yeah, jump me by the end.
Okay. Right, the kids are going to be coming out of here in a second. Just wait for the screams, you'll know when they're coming.
You see here, I'm just having a look at this custom fence. What a beautiful colour this custom fence is. And a person. And then we go over there and we have a custom designed playground by NH99. And you can see he's used the basic shapes for the slides. I think that is ingenious. But anyway, we have Matt driving. Yeah, scary, hey? But luckily, the 8-year-old's in charge. Here's the formation lap. We're going to see who is on pole today. We have the Pickfords in 15th. Their qualifying was not satisfactory. There's Isaac needing his helper to get him in the car. Had a wonderful pit stop yesterday, guys. Absolutely amazing. And there we go.
I don't think you can fit. I don't think I'd fit in there.
It does look like a wet race. These guys are definitely gonna need their inters. Let's hope the strategy is spot on today. We've got FIA checking all the drivers right now, making sure they're legal and roadworthy for the race today. Was Michael Massey, he just destroyed the sport. Now this little guy right here, he knows what he's doing. And it's 5 lights out and away we go! And the Pickfords are going around the first corner but being overtaken by the Red Bull. Or is that Ferrari, the red? Oh, we have someone going the wrong way. Never in my years of commentating have I ever seen that.
They're stuck.
How dangerous. I'm sure that is a black flag for this guy. The Pickfords are not doing great right now. This reflects on their 15th in qualifying.
Okay, red flag, stops.
Oh, the race has been stopped, guys. There's been a horrible crash over here. Let's hope there are no fatalities. Over to you in the commentary box, Thomas. And the stadium is crowded. Look at the crowd there. Going wild. Oh, I'm sure that was an illegal move there. There's going to be disaster.
Red flag.
Oh, it's been red flagged again, guys.
Oh, that's dramatic, right?
Wow.
So here we are, Matty at you, coming at the breakneck speed of at least 5 miles an hour. Right, eyes on the road, Isaac.
Ah!
Hang on, where are you going? Yeah, you might stop and give way. No, just keep going. The typical British way. Yeah, I think you just found a curb and then just hit the car as well. Oh, we're going back down to Mum. Oh, we're going all the way around. Let's go back down to Mum. Avoid the carnage. You right there, Isaac?
Yeah.
You right there, Jasmine?
Yep.
You scared?
No.
It's okay, don't worry. They hunt in packs.
That's not good.
It's alright, the Stegosaurus there. Oh, I wish you'd stopping like that. Oh, my poor back. A Palacephalopalas. Oh, it's a baby dinosaur.
Hi.
Oh, it's a baby.
Whoa, Brachiosaurus, I think. Yeah, Brachiosaurus. Yeah, I know.
I'm thankful I went into Plip Camp for this. Oh, my poor back! Another Stegosaurus. That's Terry. Terry Triceratops.
George.
George? Why George?
I don't know. Hi, George.
That's just George.
Already? Hi, Scott. Hi, guys.
Oh, move your finger off the camera, mate.
Whoa.
Oh no.
No. Ah. Hi, friend.
Oh, dinosaur friend.
Legs. Hi. I'm close.
There we go, there's our park tour. I do endorse this park. So we've now gone from Planet Coaster to Planet Zoo. So let's have a look at some animals. What have we got in here? Oh, look at the rabbits. They're not doing much. Yes, they're very... Livy, do you like the rabbits? Right, what else have we got here? We got a Chinese water dragon in there somewhere. I can't see it. Oh, hang on, it's literally... Hello. Looks like a stick insect. Yeah.
There's a lizard in here.
There's a lizard in there, is there?
It's a picture of him.
Ah. Can we see it?
There.
Where are you pointing?
Down.
Oh yeah, there he is. Hello. Hello, that's Gary. Gary Gecko.
Huh? They're not baby lizards. We don't know what they are. What are they?
Right,
Stick
let me keep going
insects.
round. The audience demands more animals. There's a dog.
Hey, that's me.
We've got lots and lots of animals in here. Let's go and have a look at some interesting animals now. Not little insects. Let's go and have a look at the big tortoise.
Whoa.
The tortoises. That's Michelangelo. That's Raphael. That's Leonardo.
Into the water.
Where's Donatello? We've just got the three. Oh no, there he is. There's Donatello. Found that. We've got an indoor ride area. Got a little kiddie coaster just inside here. Looks nice and smooth. Got Jasmine and Libby on it right now. And we've got a mini drop tower in here as well. Nice custom built play area using just basic shapes. And then a little kiddie ride just over there. You alright, Jazz?
Yeah.
Looks nice and smooth. Good layout. Nice theming. Alright, so we've got Maximus roller coaster. So nice thing. Walk down the queue path. I would have stopped and read the writing, but the kids have already gone ahead. And there's people behind me as well. So we can't stop.
Oh, I only want to go once. If I close my eyes, I won't feel like I'm dead.
So, initial feedbacks on the ride so far. Yep, nice little layout, very smooth. Nice little brake run. Jasmine, in your expertise, Planet Coaster feedback, what do you think?
Fast, smooth and swift.
Okay, nice use of paint tool as well. Just on the bottom as well, some nice theming. Yeah, looking forward to going it. I'll see you when I go off. Right, so we've been around the park all day. The kids have now gone to play. They've gone in the play area, which is in there. Oh, yeah, just in there. Hello, Chrissy. Our kids have all gone to play. We've been on rides all day. I'm absolutely shattered. It's boiling. I think I've sunburnt my head. Maybe a little bit red. Not sure. But yeah, we're going to sit and have a coffee out with Chrissy.
Oh yes.
So yeah, I think we're pretty much done. I'll give you a quick update just before I finish the video. So see you in a bit. So after spending all day here, all good things must come to an end. Kids have had enough. I think we've scared them all. We have wussy kids. They won't go on any of the big coasters. So the yellow coaster, no one ever ended up going on. I think we terrified Olivia on the log flume. Isaac screamed Blue Murder on the Maximus and is now terrified of coasters. Success. Yeah. Hopefully they all sleep tonight. But thank you ever so much, everybody, if you have watched this as well. I know it hasn't been like kind of the most serious of vlogs. It wasn't supposed to be. It was just supposed to be a little bit of a mockumentary, if you will. But thank you ever so much, everybody, for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will be back in a couple of days for more Planet Coaster content. Bye, everybody. Say bye, Chrissy.